Maybe I should do a chevron. So okay, so I did the key lamp already, and 2 coat of the key lamp, and I did this on the top. If you're seeing that the little shimmery is just from the sparkly white on the top of it. I think I saved the video. Scared the hell out of me. Use this accidentally. Almost hit my hand. So okay, I'm drawing is the V shape, and then we're going to Kia for 30 seconds. I thought it was gonna hit my hand. Who's getting Nine lash? Did I say New York lash? Oh, hold on, did I say it right?
Yeah.
New York. Okay, hold on. How do you say it? NY New York lash. Did I say it right?
Maybe could be New Year last year.
New Year. No, it's not lash. It's like New York, LA. Let me see if I can say it right. Oh, New York lash. Awesome. No, because I thought heels will hit on my hands, but that's why I scared me, because if it's like hitting it, it's not gonna be his chevron. It might be something else. I said, wait, no. Almost hits my hand. So I did top coat that after the sparkly whites, and I did top coat the completely the nails. No, I didn't. Did I? I didn't. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how to fix it. How did I didn't do it? You still have a residue here, so we're gonna clean it really quick. When it actually happened like this, we are going to try to wipe it off using alcohol. You say, who scare you? I'm gonna try to remove it off. Just take it off. You want to talk to people?
Oh, you taking it out now?
Yeah, because I said, okay, so don't worry about it. We're gonna move this one on the side, and then you can remove this one off.
The whole transfer foil? Remove the whole transfer foil out?
Yeah. Okay, okay, so here's the important. I think I didn't top coat it. Top coat it quick. Make sure you top coat it, because if you want to draw it like that, the first one I did, and somehow this second one I forgot. Good to know. Okay, no, hold on. Give me that one.
You can simply fill it with crystal.
I know. You can fill it with crystal if you want to.
Be flexible, always.
No.
Because that looks good by itself. It look different too.
I'm gonna get it fixed. So I'm watching that one. It's Kia for 60 seconds. Have you ever having like that? Like,
remember, like, if you do too hard, you're gonna rub out the rest of them too. You can just cover them. Yeah, you got a piece of that bottom one. That's okay. Fill it with crystal.
I clean it. So done. Now I'm gonna using the Premium My Hair Chan